just making a video because I have ordered a quick release for my 200SX and I'll be installing it today. I'll try to hold the camera as best as possible. I don't really know, but let's see. Wow. I'm dropping everything right now. I'm terrible. Let's see how I can do this. Okay. Let's unbox it. Break box. First thing you see when you open it is this little pamphlet. Just promoting products. Bucket seats, extra quick release, a lock for your quick release, wings, pedals, the oil pan plug. More steering wheels, straps, just promoting product. Other stuff, there's some boots. NRG sticker. And then we finally get to a quick release. Comes with like a little foam casing. Look how beautiful that looks. Holy shit. Damn. That padding. Extra parts for the quick release. That was just an unboxing about that. Honestly, I don't even know how to release it. Let me see. Wow. Okay. So you push this button, then pull this spring back, and it comes out like that. That's not correct. What the fuck? There you go. It's pretty simplistic. Okay, so I'll show y'all how to install the quick release now. Have to take off the steering wheel from the short hub. Hopefully that fits. Yep. Might take a few minutes to do. Okay, now we're down to the short hub. I'll be putting these screws to the side. Give me a minute. Okay. Now we'll take the quick release and the screws that came within it, which is these. I really don't even know what these are for, so we'll just put them to the side. Get the quick release, undo that. Where is the button? Wow, what the fuck? It wasn't even. Okay, whatever. Make sure it's on the right side. Connect these. Oh shit. Then try to stuff these in here, or like maybe in a circular motion. Do it in a star shape pattern. Go really quick. Okay. Feels like it's pretty secure. Now we need to take this and connect it to the steering wheel. Yeah. So let's just put that right there. We'll grab the horn that came with the steering wheel. Which is this right here. And try to put it up in there. Let's see. Nope. There you go. And then get the quick release. Try to connect it to the connectors on the horn. Fuck. And it only seems like there's, I think that's like a male connector, whatever, on the inside of the quick release. So, I mean, the horn won't be able to operate without another connection, but it's still connected. I highly doubt that's the right connection for it, but it's whatever. And then try to line that up. It's really hard to see. Not gonna use that. Okay, so basically this is what I'm looking at. You align it up. It's pretty difficult to get it to the right angle. So oh my god. Okay, that is finally on. It's quite nice. Matches the steering wheel and the shifter. Going for like really a red and black aesthetic within this car. Let's see. What the fuck? Now it's upside down. Okay. Yeah, no, I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, that sounds nice, but I think I put this shit backwards or upside down, so I have to figure that out. is, I'm guessing this is supposed to be upside down. This part right here. Either that or, I mean, it's quick release. Damn, what the fuck? Just popped in. Yeah, the steering wheel is upside down. Wow. Yeah. Well, we'll fix that, but I mean, it's installed, so that'd be really it. Thank you. So, quick update on this. I have fixed it. It's pretty simplistic. This whole part, man. It wasn't this one. This the main piece that goes to the hub. It was the piece that went to the steering wheel. I had to make sure that this silver spring was on top, like right here on the steering wheel. So now, when I put it in, it works. So. It's the right side now. So that'll be all for the video. Thank you if you watched it. Pretty simplistic. I will be turning my 200 SX S12 into a drift track car. So that'll be it. Thank you.